welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing some extreme decluttering, cleaning, and organizing. But before we get started with all of this, I need to eat some lunch, and for lunch today, I'm going to be having a Chipotle chicken grain bowl. And this meal is from Home Chef, and Home Chef is sponsoring today's video, so a big thank you to them. So previously, when I've shared Home Chef with you guys, I've always been making these giant supper meals that take like 45 minutes to make. So today I wanted to also show you that they have easy meals that you can make as well. This Chipotle grain bowl says that it only takes 5 to 10 minutes to make. The difficulty level is easy. When I'm ordering my Home Chef box, I usually pick at least 2 of these easy meals. They're usually called the 5-minute lunches because when I'm filming YouTube all day and working, I need these easy lunches to be able to grab out of the fridge that only take me like 5 minutes to make. So that's why I love these ones. And I usually will pick 2 servings for these just so that I can have them for 2 different days. This Chipotle chicken grain bowl was super easy to piece together. It was very yummy. It was like the perfect lunch for me because I love salad and chicken. So inside of the bag was 2 ounces of baby spinach, 3 ounces of Chipotle ranch dressing, 1 Roma tomato, 8 ounces of pre-cooked brown rice, 2 ounces of guacamole, and 6 ounces of roasted chicken breast. So the chicken was already cooked in the bag, so all I had to do was piece everything together, put the chicken on top. Super easy to make, like I said, and this was a very yummy meal. Probably one of my favorite easy lunches that I've gotten from them so far. So this just goes to show that you don't always have to get big supper meals from Home Chef. They do offer easy lunch meals as well, so I like to get a variety in my box. I like to get maybe 1 or 2 lunch meals, a supper meal, some smoothie ingredients. And for the new year, one of my other goals was that I want to start being more organized. I want to start meal planning better. I want to start cooking more healthier meals for my family. So Home Chef can really help with that if that's one of your New Year's goals. And it can also help if you don't like meal planning or you don't like grocery shopping. It just makes life a lot easier. And also, you can get $30 off your first order with my code. I'll have it typed up on the screen. I'll also have my link for Home Chef down below and the code typed up down there as well. Definitely go and check them out. I highly recommend them. Ever since Christmas, I have had the urge to go through my whole house and declutter and organize and get rid of stuff. That is one of my goals for the new year, is to do all of that: declutter, organize, get rid of things. So my plan is to work room by room throughout the house doing just that, and today I am starting my decluttering here in Owen's room. Now this room is the boys' playroom. It's where I keep all of their clothes, all of their stuff. It's also where Owen sleeps, and this room just seems to be messy like 80% of the time. I'm so sick of it, and the boys don't even play with half of their toys. So we're going to do some extreme toy rotation. We're going to be getting rid of stuff. I'm going to be packing some stuff away, and I'm starting this off with a very messy room. This room is a mess, and I usually like for the room to be relatively clean before I start cleaning out closets and drawers and stuff, but it's okay. I'm just going to have to deal with it today, so let's get started. These 2 containers are from Walmart, and in the smaller one I'm putting toys that I'm going to be donating to Goodwill, and then the bigger one I'm using for toy rotation. And what toy rotation is where you have a big container like this, and about once a month you go through all of your kids' toys and you pack away toys that they're not playing with in this container, and then the next month you bring those toys back out and then you pack away new toys that they're not playing with. And when you bring those old toys back out, the kids get all excited because it's like new toys, because these toys have been packed away for a month. So it's just a good way to keep the toys more organized and keep the toy clutter down. So to keep all of their toys organized in their bedroom, I use these gray collapsible bins that I got from Target. They have these in different colors and they're super cheap there, and it just works perfect because I keep the toys in these in categories. So like one of the containers will have blocks, one of the containers will have all of their tractors and trucks, different things like that. And that white cube organizer is from Walmart. These bins fit perfectly in there, and I just remembered that these gray bins are not from Target. They are from Walmart. That is why they fit so well into this organizer from Walmart. After I had gone through all of their toys, next I went through all of their books, and any books that were ripped or had the covers falling off of them, I just threw them away. Now it was time to go through this closet, and this closet was so bad. As you can see, I had already started to pull stuff out of the closet and off of the shelves. So basically I just went through this whole closet, got rid of stuff, packed stuff in here a little bit better. I got their dresser organized. Next, I went through all of the boys' clothes, just packing away stuff that was too small and getting their clothes better organized here in the closet and in their dresser. Okay, so now I am finally all done. I got this room cleaned out. I got rid of a ton of stuff. Before I end this video, I'll show you how I have everything organized. So in this basket here, I have Owen's diapers and extra wipes, and then over here I have Owen's extra blankets. In this first drawer is all of Kyle's like Legos, building things, all the small things that Owen isn't really supposed to play with. I put those in a top drawer. I pulled all these drawers out just to make this a little bit easier. So this first one is all of their animals. The second one is all of the building blocks. The third one, they have some some of their wooden toys. They have their wooden train in there and stuff. And this one is more of like Owen's types of toys, like more baby type toys. And this top one is their bigger toys, like their tractors and airplanes. In the corner, I have their laundry basket, their little wagon. Kyle likes to pull Owen in this. Got their TPM books here. Now I'm going to be doing some rearranging and redecorating tomorrow, so I'm going to be changing this up a little bit. This basket I got from Home Goods, and big baskets like this are perfect to keep all of their stuffed animals in. So now we move on to the closets, and I got rid of a ton of stuff out of here. Some stuff I was able to pack in other closets, and some stuff I'm donating to Goodwill, some stuff I'm selling, just to kind of give you an idea of what I did with everything. Now this closet is not like Pinterest organized, but it definitely looks better than it did before. Right here I have some of their toys easily accessible. In that bin is all of their puzzles. They have a ton of puzzles. Owen's walker that he still likes to play with, even though he can obviously walk. And then we've got their barn right here. I just have some storage here. Owen's sound machine. I have some stuff stored in here that I just can't store anywhere else because we honestly don't have a ton of storage in this house. We don't have an attic or a basement to store stuff in, so I have an extra table back there. These two bins, this is girl stuff, this is boy stuff. Let's see, 18 months to 2T. And these bins don't fit up on any shelves, so I have to keep them here. And then I also have some of their clothes packed in here, and I just write on there what size they are. And I hung Owen's button-up shirts here, and then the rest of his clothes are in the dresser. Here on the shelves, first we've got 0 to 12 month boy clothes right there, and then this is the toy rotation box like I talked about earlier. Up on the very top shelf is a bunch of baby stuff, that barn that they're not playing with right now, so I just stuck it up there. All the diaper boxes are either full of baby stuff or clothes that the boys have outgrown. Moving on over to the other side, there's some stuff up here in the shelves that I just couldn't fit anywhere else in the house, like Jalen's old 3D printer, some books and stuff up there, but the rest of the stuff is kid and baby stuff. But this is where I try to keep all of the kid and baby stuff, just so that it's all in one place. Here's those bins. They come all the way to this dresser, and then in this dresser is all of their clothes. The top drawer I keep all of their shirts. The next drawer is Kyle's pants. Next drawer is like socks, underwear, pajamas. Next drawer is Owen's footy pajamas and all of his pants and overalls, and the bottom drawer is just some more blankets. Up on top I keep this CD player because they love to listen to Sunday school songs while they play in here. In this tray I have all of their shoes, Owen's sneakers. I'm just missing Owen's boots out of here. Kyle's sneakers, Kyle's boots. And then over here is Kyle's sweater, a coat, some button-ups. And back here I have the pack and play, and then this giant teddy bear. And that is how I have everything organized in these closets. Like I said, it's not professionally organized, but I did get rid of a ton of stuff and I cleaned it out and it looks better than it did before, so that's a plus. Over here on this rack from the Dollar Tree, I just have Kyle's backpack and his 2 jackets hanging up here, and Owen's jacket needs to be hanging up there too, but I'm not sure where that's at right now. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. This was so much work getting this room cleaned out and organized and getting rid of a bunch of stuff, but hopefully now I can keep it cleaner in here and the boys can keep their toys better organized. Hopefully this video can give you some motivation to get your house decluttered and organized. This is only the first room in my house that I've decluttered, so I'll probably be filming more decluttering and extreme cleaning videos as I work room by room throughout the house. Make sure that you're subscribed with the notification bell turned on so that you don't miss out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!